Gain beef feeds offer a fully comprehensive range of UFAS certified beef feeds, coarse feed and pelleted feeds. We use the NEPDI system to design the range of feed and choose the combination of ingredients to meet the feed specifications for different levels of beef performance. But we also use Gain beef feeds as a means of supplying a range of nutritional feed supplements to improve the conversion of feed into meat. We start at the calf stage. With calf milk replacers, we use a very potent health improving combination in our Gain Easy Mix product, a combination of natural prebiotics and essential plant extracts. We use a product called Biomass to boost the immune system against general scours, in combination with a product called Digest-Vo. That again supplies prebiotics but also essential oils, and very effective in creating conditions in the gut that help the calf to ward off protozoal type scours like coccidiosis and cryptosporidiosis. When we move the calf onto solid feed, then we rely heavily on the inclusion of live yeast in our feeds, and we use the Alltech product called Yeasac to stabilize rumen and digestive conditions, because we're moving the calf from a pre-ruminant digestive system to a ruminant digestive system in an unnaturally quick period of time. So there are plenty of opportunities for things to go wrong. So we rely heavily on the Yeasac product to stabilize conditions during that transition period from pre-ruminant to ruminant, to help prevent acidosis type products that could lead to reduced intake, reduced growth rate and digestive upsets and scours. Once we move from the calf stage, we move on to our specific beef feed range, our specific Gain beef feed range, and we include a novel feed additive, a new feed additive here, which is unique to ourselves, called Carneo. And Carneo works from two sides. It is based on essential oils, and these products shift the rumen fermentation and modify what the bugs are doing in the rumen more towards the production of propionic acid, which is more efficient for the production of beef. It also reduces the amount of methane that the bugs in the rumen produce. So that loss of methane, which is normal in beef cattle and ruminants in general, we reduce that loss by the inclusion of Carneo. So rather than it being a loss of energy and a greenhouse gas emission, it is trapped and held and available to the animal for meat production. Carneo also includes yeast, so the yeast again works to stabilize rumen conditions, particularly on high-powered diets, high cereal diets, high levels of concentrates. The Yeasac works to stabilize conditions and allow those animals stay on high feed intakes and get high growth rates. Gain beef feeds are not simply a combination of major high inclusion ingredients as one would see on a typical feed label. We have a lot of nutritional technologies working in the background to improve the performance of our feeds, to improve the utilization of farm forages and to improve cattle performance overall. And the biggest and most important technology that we have across the finisher feeds at this stage is the Carneo product, which is unique to ourselves.